tire, it is losing air, and the way to check it is this is soap water, any water with little bit soap. You see here, right there, it is giving bubbles and it is losing. So I have got this kit. I bought it from Bunnings, Stanley kit. It has 5 repair strings and plier, scissor. We have to keep everything ready so we don't lose much air. And now first we will prepare this so we don't lose much time. So what we're gonna do, we take one of this. I will put it inside this. So we have to keep all these things ready so we don't lose much air. So I will keep it here. And this is plier to pull it. Now we will unscrew it. Can you show it here?
Yes.
We will unscrew this. So you will lose some air in this process, but do not panic. Don't panic. Just put this one like I'm doing it. So we will do up and down a few times. And this is what we have ready. Apply a little bit pressure. We have to apply pressure. You can see it has almost gone inside. Reach almost at this point, then you have to pull it immediately with the one shot with power. Okay, now you cut the extra. Okay, now we'll check with the soap water if the leak is. Now you don't see any bubbles. See? That's it.